Hey guys, welcome to All Report. This is Aditya. There is a quick update information for all the candidates, those who are working currently in private banks. And if you are working in the field of trade finance, dealing with export import, if you are dealing with the product like letter of credit, bank guarantee, forwarding of contract, any such type of instrument if you are dealing with, then SBI launched a notification few days before. Even 27th of June is the last date to apply for it. उन सारे लोगों के लिए एक बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट नोटिफिकेशन है. काफी कम लोग हैं. those who are going to apply for it. 150 total vacancies हैं. You are going to get the shortlisting directly by uploading, means by filling the form, and after that interview. So they will do the screening of your profile. Based on screening, you will get the call letter interviews. So only those people, those who are actually qualified for this position, they are going to get the shortlisting. आपका कॉल लेटर इंटरव्यू का तभी आएगा, फालतू में परेशान नहीं होगे. If you get the call letter for interview, it means you are qualified for this position. Qualified. To get selected, then you need to go through with the interview process properly. बेसिकली यहां पर आपका इंटरव्यू है, रिटन एग्जामिनेशन नहीं है. आई एम रिपीटिंग वन मोर टाइम, आप यहां पर नीचे आकर चेक कर लीजिए. दोज हु आर वर्किंग विथ एनी प्राइवेट बैंक फ्रॉम 2 years 2 and more years, ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, दैट योर मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशन इज 2 year plus. 2 साल से ज्यादा आपका एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए बैंक के साथ में. Few people are confused, sir, we should be MBA in the finance and any other thing. No, they said they will prefer these people. But if you have done a normal graduation, अगर आपने एक नॉर्मल ग्रेजुएशन भी किया हुआ है एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस इन अ बैंक वर्किंग विद दीज प्रोडक्ट विच आई हैव टोल्ड यू जस्ट नाउ, देन यू आर क्वालिफाइड. यहां पर देखिए क्या बोला गया है आपको, ग्रेजुएट इन एनी डिसिप्लिन फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया रिकॉग्नाइज्ड यूनिवर्सिटी और इंस्टीट्यूशन एंड सर्टिफिकेशन इन फॉरेक्स बाय IIBF. अगर ये है देन इट इज ओके. अदरवाइज यू आर फ्रॉम ग्रेजुएट है आप सारे लोग डेफिनेटली. देन मिनिमम 2 year एक्सपीरियंस इन पोस्ट एकेडमिक क्वालिफिकेशन इन्होंने बोला है इन ट्रेड फाइनेंस एज एन एग्जीक्यूटिव इन द सुपरवाइजरी रोल इन एनी शेड्यूल्ड कमर्शियल बैंक. So if you are working with any scheduled commercial bank, mostly if you are working in ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Yes Bank, where you get the opportunity to work in a particular sector. So I have seen that lots of people, those who are preparing for SBI CBO interview, there are lots of people who came for the mock interviews, those who were particularly working in the same profile, same job profile. So if you are dealing with such type of products, guys, just check the details here. And your bank is able to give you, because see, they will be asking you job profile. So one thing you need to ensure from your bank, will they able to give you the job profile that you are working on this position. Otherwise they have given you the position of deputy manager and they are saying you are not going to get the job profile. Without job profile, shortlisting will be difficult. So one thing just you need to ensure that your bank will be able to give you job profile for that. That is enough. Even if they will be able to give you over the mail that we do not provide job profile and you have experience in these field, then also most of the case you will be shortlisted for the interview. Once you are shortlisted for the interview, you will be getting opportunity to present yourself, present your knowledge, and final selection will be in your hand only, not in the hand of panel member. That is in your hand. So another one time I am repeating it. It is the information for all the people, those who are working with the private bank. It is a scale 2 job. Scale 2 का job है. आपका जो appointment है वो होगा हैदराबाद and कोलकाता. So cities are also defined that in which city you are going to get the joining. SBI started a new department where you are going to get the joining. A very good position to enrich your knowledge and getting the opportunity to work with the State Bank of India. If you are applying or if you have already applied for it and you want me to cover the topics which are important for the interview, please write in the comment box. Comment box में लिखिए अगर आप qualified हैं और आपने apply किया हुआ है. So if you have applied for it, do write in the comment box. Accordingly, I'll be making the video in the upcoming days. Okay, all the best guys.